What up, folks? Tejbz here, and welcome to another tech video. Today, I got this sweet stream deck from Elgato, and this is a white one. It's gonna fit really nice with the rest of my peripherals that I just like having in white. So I wanna say huge thank you to Elgato for sending me this one so that I could unbox it and change it out for my setup. Yeah, I use the Stream Deck all the time. Bam, there you go. That's the title. I already answered the question if it is worth it. So I'm pretty sure that a lot of you guys are wondering still that don't own a Stream Deck, that are wondering like, okay, what do you use it for? Is it worth upgrading to one now? And what does like a professional streamer like me actually use it for? And we're gonna answer all of those questions in this video. Let's just take a quick look at the box. I know Elgato has been really working a lot to get rid of a lot of plastic. So far, the only thing I can tell is the top and the little bottom down here. Let's see what it says on the box. Compatible with Mac, non-slip stand, interchangeable faceplate. Oh yeah, you can do that now. Tactile record, tap to stream, record, switch scenes, and more. Oh, much more. And use any USB-C cable. That's great. I had like a beta test version of the Elgato Stream Deck. They've been around for 10 years now, and I was the first person, correct me if I'm wrong, Elgato, to ever do a collaboration with them. So that's really cool. Sliding it off. That is a nice, comes right off. And ooh, it looks so nice in white. Ooh. Ah. And a little ASMR. Ooh. Well, that fell off. This is the Stream Deck. This is the non-slippery stand. There you go. And God, it looks actually really nice. So ASMR, this has to be peelable, right? Yeah. Disappointing, but I barely made a sound.
Title of your sex tape.
All right, goes right back in there. I'm pretty sure this is so nice. It's the only plastic on the back? We have to confirm in the cable box here. Ooh, and we got, I'm pretty sure that in here, we got a little instruction manual. Ooh. I'm totally gonna read that. And a nice looking white USB-C cable. This one is like angled for your pleasure. I put these in my pocket all the time because you never know when you're gonna use them. So really nice USB-C cable. This is gonna actually create a little bit of an issue for me because I was just gonna take that cable out, but I didn't know that it came with a luxurious white USB-C cable. I was just gonna swap these out. Maybe nobody will know if I have a black cable to the white Stream Deck. If I hadn't said anything, you guys would probably not have noticed. Ooh, cool gamer tag I just thought of. Instruction Emmanuel, if your name is Emmanuel. Or Manuel. You're welcome. There you go. All right, I'm gonna put it back. It was the box. All right, there we go. So it is now unboxed. I think I'm just going to ninja swap it out, at least for now, and see how it looks on my desk, and then get to a little bit more of the answering of the questions. If you guys, you know, if it's worth it to upgrade to one of these and what I actually used it for the most. Before we get any further into the video, yeah, it would be kind of wrong of me to have all these juicy stream decks all to myself. So I will be giving out this one over on my Instagram. So check out the link in the description. It's gonna be up for, I would say, you will probably have like 1 or 2 weeks after this video is uploaded. So if you are watching this, 2 years in the future, well, you can still go follow me on Instagram. I would appreciate that. Come out with an XL white Elgato and we can do this all over again. Thank you very much. It is a stream deck, and it looks white, and it does all the stuff that it's saying right now. You can see on an icon down here, it actually says that it's recording. I got PC cam, I got camera from all the OBS settings that I can make some clips. I can open the clips. I can do that on my left screen. If I get like a cool clip and there's nobody in chat that remembered to clip it, I can just pop it open and edit it really quickly. So what do you actually use a stream deck for? And let's get into kind of the topic, is it worth it? So for me, as a streamer, professional streamer, hey, I like using that word. I think it sounds pretty funny. Not only do I change all the stream stuff, like change OBS, I start recording. That's one great feature that you really have to take into consideration with the stream deck, that you can just start and stop the recording on OBS while you're actually streaming. So if you're starting, say, a new Apex game and you want to record, you can record it with NVIDIA NVENC on OBS. So your computer is not going to take any like problems. Basically, you can just set it to like a low stress on your GPU, but a high bit rate. So it's still going to look great, but your computer is going to feel nothing. And if you get a sick gameplay in Apex Legends, you just, after the game is over, you click that again and bam, you have a recording saved on it. And that was like a huge thing. That's the main thing that I really wanted when the stream deck came out, to be fair. And some of the other stuff that is really useful, I do think, is like, as I asked my friend Dr. Boom, and I knew he had a stream deck, and I was like, what do you use the stream deck for? He's like, yeah, I bought it to stream, but now I mostly use it for like the media keys to play and stop music and stuff. And now with more and more keyboards getting, customizable and removing the media keys and everything, just having like play and pause, and I have it over here, like on my big stream deck, I do have like backwards on the music, pause and forward, like easily accessible directly behind the wallpaper. It is huge. And as you can tell in the background, something that I use before I start streaming, I usually don't have the lamps on, depending on what time it is. I have the ready-made scenes from Philips Hue that you can just click with one button. It changes the background. Say that you're sitting here and it's later in the night, you want to set it to dimmed. All of that is basically just, I click it 20 times a day just to change the lights and stuff. And now I have like a real ready-made, if you see me behind right there, I changed the Master Chief look. It is just huge. Some of the information that I got is as well, I got the CPU on my gaming PC telling me how much CPU is being used on the computer currently. And one thing that I really appreciate too, you see me when I'm streaming, I constantly have like the NVIDIA Shadow Play little overlay up on the right. There's a plugin for Stream Deck that makes you save your replay. So you can set it to like, what I have is 2 minutes on NVIDIA Shadow Play, which has gotten so much better. NVIDIA Shadowplay sucked ass in the beginning. No offense, NVIDIA, but you have stepped up, but it really was bad in the beginning. So if you are a non-streamer and you just sometimes play with your friends and you want to get you got a sweet kill, you can have the replay button on your stream deck. If you're wondering why all my icons look so beautifully, it is because I bought all of these icons for $2. Anyway, those are just some of the things that I use the stream deck for. I'm sure that I haven't even mentioned some of the stuff that I have been thinking of, multi-actions in OBS, play a sound, zoom in with the camera. Somebody goes like, Apex is bad. What? Before, you used to have all of these like OBS quick buttons binded to your keyboard, which was super duper annoying, and now you can just do it via the stream deck. On the Swedish news show, I was sitting on the couch watching, I saw Stream Deck when they were doing a news report on a company that were literally remote controlling cars from America to Sweden, and they had a Stream Deck. And I'm sure they're not like using the buttons to change the lights on the car. I'm sure they'll like have it programmed in some sort of cool way, cool fashion that I have no idea how to do. Just yet. And I saw that the CEO, Julian, again, he posted a picture that he found a Stream Deck on top of a Formula One car. So I don't know, maybe they changed like the settings on the car to fast or slow or something before they go out, or they get some sort of information. I thought that was really cool as well. The price tag on a Stream Deck compared to maybe like an expensive keyboard, they're almost in the same range now. But I have had like the same Stream Decks for many years, and none of them have broke. So it's like an investment for something that is going to last. So I would definitely, honestly, just recommend picking one up if you're a gamer or a tech enthusiast, or if you like smart lamps, or wherever you can think of, you can actually make them make use for it. And I think it's really cool how far Elgato has gotten in these 10 years. Unfortunately, that video from 10 years ago, there's no quick button on the Stream Deck to go back and change my haircut or my wardrobe. Let's speak again a little bit about the wallpapers here that I have made. This is something that actually makes your setup look even juicier if you want to. I made these custom wallpapers myself. As I said, if you guys want to see a video on how I actually made them, please leave a comment. But if you want to just download them, maybe you have a 15 key Stream Deck already or a 32 one. I actually made two different ones that are looping perfectly. The link to download them anyway is gonna be in the Discord. We have made a news channel for like techie talk too. This, I would love if you guys just hang out in the Discord and check it out. Maybe you can find some new friends to talk tech with, or gaming with, or crypto, or whatever you're into. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I wanted to ask you guys to drop a comment if you want to see how I made the wallpapers, and if you got inspired on using your Stream Deck in something different ways, basically here. And huge shout out to Elgato for those 10 years. I'm taking a lot of credit for getting you guys there with that very early video, which I think is just great. And also, of course, thank you to Elgato for sending me the white Stream Deck. Drop a comment, download the wallpapers, let me know what you used it for if you're picking a white one up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great one.